But we can't get information this morning. Say Nkubi, he travel, go village, go start mango business. And the mango, when he go plant, it go take time before the thing grow. So soon and very soon, he go come back. I get ogbonge visitor inside studio. When go join me to look all the action story wey happen for inside Nigeria over the weekend wey pass. And his name na Oga Yemi Olakintan. Oga Yemi Olakintan, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Don't vex as I'll just throw and give you your name. I go still talk your title. Oga Yemi Olakintan, na wetin people dey call investigative journalist. That is for our own language when everybody understand. He be journalist wey be like FBI or SSS because the places where we say people think say I no fit enter. Now there your own eye they enter to go dig out the story so that everybody go know as all the side take be. Once more, Oga Yemi, the investigative journalist. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much. Thank you now, my friend.
Now only me you go thank now. You dey thank everybody. I go shake your hand or make you no be like say when I start to ask you the question, me and you dey quarrel.
Okay.
That's tradition we get on top of As E Dey Hot be that. As we dey do am every Monday, we go tear the nylon comot on top all of the action tori wey happen over the weekend for our country, so that we go use a recommended glass, look all of these stories, and know where we go dey chook mouth from. The first story wey we go discuss today na as e get to do with the statement wey be say the talk person of the APC, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, when he release on Sunday. This talk get plenty power. Alhaji Lai Mohammed come out with long list. Come talk say 56, I go call it in, $56 billion. Now in the government of Oga Jonah chop. $56 billion. Now in the government of Oga Jonah chop. I know say some people go don't shout as I call the 56 billion. Make I come break and down into Nigeria money so that I go understand. 11.02 trillion. That is this one pass million upon million, billion upon billion, go enter trillion, the senior brother of billion. 11.02 trillion. Now in the government of Oga Jonah chop. He break everything down. From the money when we say NSCDC, they don't know as they take talk as the money take go. From the one when we say from oil, they don't know as the thing take go. From the one when we say people when they the government carry government property take go, when they don't use their calculator come check, he break everything down. People come talk say, one government now chop all this kind of money. But the talk person of the People's Democratic Party, Oga Olisametu, he come and talk say, make President Muhammadu Buhari call Alhaji Lai Mohammed to order. Sake of say that talk when they talk, when we say no get fat to back what they talk up, the thing it cause crisis inside this our country. And with Oga Yemi, we go look this story. But first, make we keep am for one side, go the next one. The next story get to do with wetin Oga Presido talk. Oga Presido come and talk say, he no promise Nigerians say he won't pursue people when chop Nigeria money, collect our money back so that they go spend them on top of Nigerians' body, make this country they move forward. But we need people when we say they get plenty experience when it come to sit down inside court and they know they fear anybody. Make everybody remember, say the Presidential Advisory Committee, that is a joint body of people when we say the Sabi lawyer book where when Oga Presido join together under the leadership of Professor Itse Sage, they don't call advice Oga Presido say they don't start selection of some judges when we say they know they look face. If they sit down for court and you present paper say this person chop money, they go send the person go prison and collect all the money when we say the person don't carry. Many Nigerians don't hail this action by Oga Presido. They say yes, he did very, very right. Say we need judges when we say they know they look anybody face and they know they fear anybody. And some other people don't come talk say, case don't plenty for our court. Say this will just be like saying that the same thing, now in the thing go be. Whether not the same thing, whether not different thing, we go discuss am with the investigative journalist, Oga Yemi. The third one get to do with the Ekiti State Governor, Governor Ayodele Fayose. Governor Ayodele Fayose come out, come talk say, he want President Muhammadu Buhari. Say President Muhammadu Buhari dey careful of the kind friends when they surround them because many of them, they no get the interest for heart. He go even talk say he don't check the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, say the thing be like soldier government. Anybody when talk, they go tell and say shut up. Anybody when talk, they go tell and say keep quiet. Say he know they fear anybody and he go continue to dey speak out. He can draw ear, give President Muhammadu Buhari say the only thing when President Muhammadu Buhari government don't do that to dey pursue people when no dey in party. Say President Muhammadu Buhari won't achieve anything, make him make sure say he take government serious and he no pursue people when no dey in political party. Oga Yemi, these 3 things when we say I don't drop down. I know say we still get more stories, but I see you the way when we say you dey hold the biro, talk don't already won't come out. So I go let you first. Just talk small as you take concern these 3 stories before I can shift, go the remaining ones. We will come start the discussion proper.
Make I talk the one where they pay me pass.
He dey pay you.
Yes.
Talk am.
This one at the 11 trillion. Wetin they call am?
11.02 trillion. When they say Oga Jonah government chop.
And $56 billion. When they talk say Oga Jonah
government
chop.
No be Oga Jonah in government.
In government. In government na him now.
Okay.
Now he go take responsibility for in government.
Okay.
You see why this thing they pay me? Be say, number 1, if you want go forest, you want go catch monkey. No be from the entrance of the forest you go dey blow whistle.
True.
Wetin go happen to the monkey?
He go run now.
He go no go run.
Monkey get sense.
As na the thing wey the government of President Buhari dey do be that. You want probe. Nobody say make you no probe. But why you dey make noise, dey shout, I want probe, I want probe, I want probe. If you dey among the people wey chop Nigeria money, you no go find where you go hide your money. You understand?
Not true.
So that the government of Buhari no go catch you.
Not true.
That is now the thing where this government they do with that where they invest people. If you know say you know the thief wey thief this money, let EFCC go catch them. ICPC they there, make them police they there, make them do their job.
Now their work be that.
Now their work with that.
No be the work of the spokesperson of APC.
Of Mr.
They announce
Alhaji Lai Mohammed.
Now my papa, continue.
Now our papa be the man old where. Now the man come they make all this noise. This one now the beginning of another thing for Nigeria.
Number 1. Make we go the next story. The one we get to do with the one when they talk say they go find judges when no they fear anybody. You think say with the way when our judiciary did that is people when we say that they chook eye for law for inside this country. We fit get any judge when go look person when not chop this country money, plenty money, look am for I say you chop money, return that money and go prison.
Yeah, for that one, make I tell you, I go talk say people dey Nigeria, no be everybody be thief. You understand? Because if na everybody be thief, na him be say in the whole country go don collapse. You know, but
so we get good people for this country.
We get people for this country.
Starting from President Muhammadu Buhari.
Of course now, because if everybody bad, we no go fit sit down here. Light no go fit function.
Not true.
Water no go dey.
Not true.
Nothing go work.
Not true. So
it means to say if as we still dey alive, say everything dey work. It means to say now we get some people where they make everything they go smooth. So George, I know say God dey, and we go as our madam talk. Patient Jonathan that time say God dey oh, God dey oh. I know say people still dey wey dem go talk the truth for our judiciary.
Okay.
I no fear that one. Then go find.
Make we enter the third one. Governor Ayodele Fayose, he don't come out. You know say he don't dey talk since.
Yeah.
But this time around, this one when he don't talk. Now one when we say if we check am over the days when we say President Muhammadu Buhari don't become president of this country, it can't be like say wetin him talk. I don't know whether you see say true dey inside wetin him talk or in the lie, because he talk say the government of President Muhammadu Buhari say na only to dey speak English, intimidate and harass people. He said the government don't be like soldier government. But Oga Yemi, make we talk true. The fact say me and you even dey yourself, they discuss this issue without fear. He show say wetin they talk, e be like say true no dey inside.
No, true dey inside.
True dey inside. Say the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, they intimidate people.
I go tell you that the truth dey inside now.
Okay, give me reason now.
Okay, the example where I go give you. First of all, let me talk about, make I talk about Oga Fayose.
You like him?
I like him.
Because if they talk true.
In they talk. You see, everybody, they hail President Jonathan, President Buhari, APC, everybody don't become APC for Nigeria now.
Because of change.
Because they want change.
And a good change.
And a good change we want.
Because the thing went there before na bad thing.
But make you no forget, say na democracy we dey.
Okay.
If all of us can't become APC, it no be democracy again. Because opposition must dey.
True.
You understand? Now the people wey the opposition, now them go dey push pressure on the government. Otherwise, dem go forget themselves. Dem go dey do anything wey dem like.
True.
As dem dey talk now, say na only PDP dey corrupt. The one time you say APC no dey corrupt.
You dey
You understand?
make answer the question.
So that question no need to answer. You know the answer.
Rhetorical. No, I don't know the answer. Now you ask.
Now
you go
people
answer.
like Ayo Fayoshi, then they talk, then they put pressure. The thing where you want tell me say Buhari government dey perfect. The thing where Buhari no do right, then go talk up because all these people waiting for APC na praise singer them be. But all the people wey want contract from who want become minister. We want become whatever from President Buhari government. They no go talk the truth. True. But Fayose na PDP. He dey talk wetin he see. Na where he get opinion. For the second, the matter where you ask, where
intimidation,
harassment. I know when everybody they talk, say na only Jonah administration dey corrupt. The secretary of the political party APC, Oga Lai Mohammed, he too dey talk say there's still 11 trillion. He dey talk that one, and he no be police, he no be EFCC, he no be ICPC, he no come with the evidence, publish am for paper. Because they made that kind statement. No be intimidation be that.
No, we don't go call am intimidation now.
I go call that one intimidation now because that one na the beginning of that way riot, war, violence dey start.
God no go let us see riot.
We no go see that kind of thing, my brother.
Amen. Quickly, make we take the other stories.
Yeah.
Because Oga Yemi, you be like, the way when I see you, you be like, you prepare come today. It dey show for your face.
That's so.
The next story get to do with the United States of America. The ambassador of the United States of America to Nigeria, Oga James Entwistle, he come out, come talk say, the government of President Barack Obama don decide say they go support our Nigerian army with instruments when we say they go use take pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people comot finally inside our obodo Nigeria. He list the strong instrument them. And me when we say I get military background from all these instruments when he list, I know say Boko Haram time don't reach for them to pack their load and come up for the country because this instrument when he list na instrument where we say the thing he go destroy any evil. If he look you like this, no say you be bad person and he go destroy you straight. But a lot of Nigerians don't come and talk say why he be saying now America can't decide say they won't support Nigeria. All the time when we say the government of Oga Jonah, they ask for their support. They just do like say they no send us. But now they don't begin the frolic with Nigeria. Also say they won't support us. So people they talk saying, America. Now somehow they take put hand for the bad government when we say Oga Jonah sit down on top. But now they won't come they do like angel people. Oga Yemi go chook mouth for that one when we reach that bridge.
Thank you, my brother.
The next one we go discuss get to do with the House of Representatives. Information don't come out say say the first fight when they first fight for 49 days. Say then they find which people go sit down on top of Ogbonge chair for the House of Representatives. They say that one na season 1. Say season 2 don't start. That one get to do with all the small committee when they inside the House of Representatives. Say some people they fight say I want to sit down for the chair of this committee. I want to sit down for the chair of this committee because of say the money when them go see on top, it go enter their pocket. Nigerians come and they talk say abeg, the first fight we una fight when last for 49 days when una don settle. Make una let am be the final fight. Say if una begin the fight this one, the thing go cause more problems for this country. Oga Yemi, when time reach, you go tell us whether you believe say the APC after that first settlement when they settle, this next one when they settle so based on say this small committee, whether Nigeria make we begin the worry sake of say the thing fit cause more problem or not. Like I talked before, when we reach that bridge, we go cross am. We go enter the Nigerian army. This story got to do with our Nigerian army them. Everybody remember say some time back, some months ago, you get some people when they the Nigerian army, our gallant troops them, when they fight Boko Haram Jaguda people, they pursue them, come up for army. Sake of say they say that they fear Boko Haram, that they run from Boko Haram, they no carry their face, enter inside the fight when they fight against Boko Haram Jaguda people. But our army, they're not going to come and talk say, based on waiting the former oga of army for Nigeria talk, that is Alex Bade, Kenneth Minima and other people say e be like say our army people dem no get the right instrument to fight the fight. Say they go check the condition of those people, see whether some of them the accused wey dem use carry put them for their head, say dem go comot am and allow them join the army back to fight for the safety and the territorial integrity of our country. Our final story, that is the 7th one, get to do with Abubakar Shekau, the oga of Boko Haram. E be like say Abubakar Shekau don dey jealous now because all the attention wey be say Boko Haram dey give am, dem no dey give am again. Nobody dey even dey talk about am. He come release audio, voice message. For the voice message, he talk say, I still dey alive o, nothing do me. Na me be the leader of Boko Haram. Make una no worry. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀, àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mẹ́ẹ̀ bọ̀ lápò. Say we go back, go prepare. We dey come back again. We wan check whether this audio message when he send, whether the thing e dey authentic or whether na somebody go inside studio go meet one producer come work on the thing. Make we still dey fear say Boko Haram Jaguda people dey still get plenty power, or we don reduce their power to the level when we say na voice na dem don begin dey drop now. Oga Yemi, over to you.
You see, this Boko Haram matter.
Okay, now this one you wan start with.
This Boko Haram matter. To me, the man don die. Because na video in dey show us before. They don't kill him.
Under Jonah government.
Under Jonah, how many times have been kill him?
No, but under Jonah government.
They even for show under Jonah government. They even show us his picture for Guardian, for newspaper. All the newspaper carry the photo. Say na his dead body.
Under Jonah government.
Under Jonah government, we see him. And Cameroonian soldiers sef, then talk am say then kill him.
Under Jonah government.
Now after then kill him, you no see am for video again, for inside the internet. Na the people wey look like am, na him we dey see for the
side view, camera angle.
We go do say this.
Our cameraman here,
the man go dress like Shekau.
Dress like him.
We go say him be carry beard. We go say him be Shekau.
He go dey hide him face.
You no go see am.
The light no go show for his face.
He go say him be Shekau.
That's true.
Now we no see Shekau again. Now we can't see Shekau for inside audio.
He dey drop voice.
If in there alive, make it show us for video. Make you know say na true in there alive. You understand? Since this Boko Haram something, my brother, a tired person.
So we fit agree now say our army them to a considerable degree they don't fit inflict one kind blow on top of Boko Haram when we say they don't come weak. Unlike the way when they dey for Oga Jonah government, when we say they claim territories for inside our country.
Even before Oga Jonathan leave power, he don't kill them comot now.
But we no fit talk say completely.
He don't kill, they don't die patapata when Oga Jonathan they come out, they don't enter. Now under Oga Jonah government, now they enter Sambisa forest, clear all of them comot. You understand? They don't die comot pata. Now immediately Oga Buhari enter, they start again. So let's not, you see, me I no agree to all this Jonathan bad. If somebody do something good, make we talk am. If you do bad, make you talk am. I don't care the government where it be. If Oga Buhari do something good, I go talk am. If Oga Jonah do something, President Jonah do something, we go talk am. Now so it's supposed to be.
Make we enter.
No be say everything Jonah bad. By the time Oga President Jonah they leave government, he don't nearly kill these people.
But you before you been told saying kill them, patapata now you been saying he don't nearly. Which one? Where you stand? No, you talk am say he don't kill them. Patapata na Yoruba word for every.
He don't kill them patapata.
But you don't kill now them, again you can't say he don't nearly.
Now of course now, because don't enter Sambisa forest, they no that time wey don near election. No say that time he put his effort very well.
Because of election.
Maybe because of any, I don't know because of any, but he try well. He kill them.
But why you not do all those ones? Why he can't be saying that because of election?
He don't they do am now. Easy. You want kill Satan? How many times they don't they kill Satan? He don't die. You don't know how many people don't they kill Satan for church? See, then they kill him. Every day they come.
Satan get plenty life now. Satan get plenty life now.
Don't know that this Boko Haram they look like Satan. Now the way that they go kill small pikin, they go cut small pikin head. Born human being for life. Kill a man, kill woman, kill Christian, kill Muslim, kill everybody.
They be wicked people.
That one is Satan now.
Make we just conclude here now. On all this last number 7 story say, if Shekau won't make anybody take am serious, make him do video.
Make him show video. Make
This voice when they drop, he don't show say our strong soldier people.
They don't kill him.
Starting from the government of Oga Jonah, don't wipe them out completely. So wetin President Muhammadu Buhari go do that to just consolidate so that peace go dey this country.
Exactly.
We don't finish that story, number one. Make we go enter the sixth one. Make we start am from the down. The sixth one get to do with the one wey we say the Nigerian Army talk say they go review the disciplinary case wey dem carry put on top of the neck of some of our army people. Sake of say they be accuse them that time say they run when they suppose they fight Boko Haram Jaguda people. What do you think of this matter?
They're supposed to do that. It's very important make them do that.
So you support this action?
I support that. They need to do, then get their own law. Where then they take, enforce discipline, make them do and well. Because if they don't do it, the international community, they not go take us serious.
Very true.
You understand? We dey cry for assistance from America, for all this Oyinbo country, make them support us. If they know say our soldier no dey discipline, they no go support us again. Even for your house, if your pikin they do something way bad, you no go discipline your pikin. So now discipline. If you discipline your child, then go behave.
Okay.
Even for the place where we dey work, if you no do something well, then go find somewhere, then go discipline you. Then go sanction you.
Very true.
Then go find way discipline you.
So for on top of this story now, for our army to get back that respect,
they need to. I mean,
review this case.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, Ogayemi, we don't conclude on the 6th and the 7th story. Now the conclusion I say our soldier people they try, they gallant.
Then they try
because they want preserve the territorial integrity of Nigeria.
And they respect soldier work. Where?
I get military background, so I know this thing.
You don't join army before?
I get military background. No be say I go military school for secondary. No be say I join. No.
Why you gonna come out?
When we go break, come back.
You go talk
continue that discussion because not be by say person get chest. I mean say he go fit finish 6 wraps of fufu.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.